मुनित्रय प्रार्थना। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ओम नमः पाणिनिकाचार्य पतञ्जलिभ्यः शब्दविद्या संप्रदाय प्रवर्तकेभ्यो मुनिभ्यो महद्भ्यो गुरुभ्यः। In the last class, the 18th rule we have taken up. Ku gati pradayah. Ku iti avyayam gati sanyaka shabdaha gati sanyaka अव्ययानि प्रादयः एतेपि एतानि अपि अव्ययानि एव। एते समर्थेन शब्दान्तरेण सह समस्यन्ते तत्पुरुष समासो भवति। किन्तु फॉर वांट ऑफ टाइम इन द लास्ट क्लास वी हैव लेफ्ट ऑफ दिस प्रादि, सो वी विल कंटिन्यू विथ द प्रादि with ku and gati sanyakas we have already dealt with. Now we will deal with pradi. So this when gati sanyaka shabdas they combine in samasa, they are called gati samasas. And then pradi, pra ityadi, when pradayah samasyante, they are called pradi samasaha. One or two examples we will take. Dur nindayam etat pradi varge bhavati. Durriti अव्ययम प्रादिवर्गे प्रादयः इति in the first chapter first pada we have learnt a sutra pradayah. There all the pradi shabdas have been narrated. Pra, para, apa, sam, anu, ava, nir, dur, abhi, vi, vya, vi, adhi, su, ud, iti, ni, prati, pari, api, upa, ang. These are 22 in number. They are called pradayah. In the pradi gana all these shabdas are there. So this samasa, pradi samasa relates to that pradi words. So dur iti pradi gane yad vartate avyayam nindayam vartate. Ninda means condemnable. Duspurushaha. Dur becomes dus, followed by kathina vyanjanam. Dur becomes dus. Here shakara. Duspurushaha, a condemnable person. Duspurushaha iti dur iti pradina प्रादि शब्देन समासः पुरुष शब्देन सह समर्थेन शब्दान्तरेण इति उक्तं किल। तर्हि दुष्पुरुषः इत्युक्ते कंडेमेबल मैन। दुष्कृतं here also because it is followed, dur is followed by kakara, kathina vyanjana, shakara. Duskrutam, duskrum condemnable action. Su and ati, these two words are in pradi gana. Puja ardhe bhavanti. Su ati pujayam. Supurushaha. Su iti shabdena purusha shabdasya samasaha. Supurushaha, respectable person. Ati purushaha. Ati has got many meanings. Here we take the respectful meaning. Man respected. Ati stutam. Ati iti avyayam, pradi avyayam, stuta shabdena samasyate. Ati stutam means well praised. Ang, another pradi word. Ang isadarthe. Isad means a little. Apingalaha. आङ् इति ईषदर्थे प्रादि अव्ययं पिङ्गलशब्देन, पिङ्गल is the word relating to a varna, color. A little pingala colored. आङ् इति साकल्यार्थे अपि भवति. साकल्यार्थ means in totality. आबद्धम् आङ् इति साकल्यार्थे अव्ययं प्रादि अव्ययं बद्धशब्देन समस्यते. आबद्धम्, that is completely bound up, completely imprisoned. Now there are some vartikas relating to these pradi samasas. Pradi samasa vartikani. These are vartikas are separately given for each vibhakti. Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, evam. We will take up one by one. Pradayaha gatatyarthe prathamaya samasyante iti we have to sesha puraniyaha. Pradi shabdaha gatadyarthe, gata adi, gata etc. Gata means went. Prathamaya, prathamantena shabdena samasyante pradi samaso bhavati. Example is pragataha acharyaha ityarthe. This is the vigraha vakya. Pragataha means advanced further. Acharyaha. Pragataha acharyaha. Atra gata iti shabdasya lopaha samase pracharyaha. This is a word often heard. Pracharya. In English they say it is professor. Lecturer, senior lecturer, professor. Pragataha acharyaha iti artha. Gata shabdasya lopaha pracharyaha. Pra iti pradina acharya shabdasya samasaha. Pragataha antevasi. Antevasi means disciple. Purvakala Gurukula system, the students were residing with Guru, Gurukula Vasa. So, Antevasi means Ante Vasati iti. Ante means nearby, resides nearby, he stays nearby. Pragataha Antevasi, advanced student. Prantevasi, a developed student. Dvitiyantena samasaha, second vartikam. Atyadayaha krantadyarthe dvitiyaya. Atyadayaha krantadyarthe dvitiyaya. Ati adi shabdaha in pradigana. Krantadyarthe, kranta adi. Kranta means crossed. Went across. Krantadyarthe dvitiya vibhaktyantena samasyate pradi samaso bhavati. Example. Atikrantaha khatvam. Khatva means manchaha, a cot. Akaranta Srilinga Shabdaha. Atikrantaha Khatvam. Khatvam iti dvitiyantaha. Khatvam atikrantaha. He went beyond a cot. What does it mean actually? Physical movement also we can take, or mental also we can take. He ignored the cot. Somebody has offered him a cot, but he went beyond that. He doesn't want cot. Atyadayah atikrantah khatvam ityarthe atikhatva iti moola roopam samasasya. That will be refined. Atikhatva, atikrantah khatvam. Khatvam iti khatva shabdasya dvitiyantam. ati katva. Because this katva shabda in pradi samasa, it is upasarjanam, strilingam, katva, akaranta. So this becomes rasva. Earlier sutra we have already quoted, go striyo upasarjanasya rasvaha iti. So katva will become katva. Ati katvaha. Ati katvaha purushaha, we say. The person who has crossed beyond caught. That is, who has rejected a caught. Atikrantaha malam. Mala means a garland. Somebody has been offered a garland. He didn't desire it. He went beyond taking garland. So, he is in that position where he doesn't want garlands also. Atikrantaha malam ichyarthe. Ati mala is the mula rupam of samasa. Here also, because mala is akaranta strilinga shabdaha, gostriyo rupasarjanasya iti sutrena hrasvaha bhavati. Ati malaha. The third vartika is tutiyanta shabdena samasaha. Avadayaha. You can observe in each vibhakti some particular pradi words have been taken. Pradayaha, avadayaha, atyadayaha, ichadi. Avadayaha krushtadi ardhe trutiyantena subantena samasyante pradi samaso bhavati. Example is krishtadi. Krishta is krish dhatoho tapracheha. This may mean two things. Krishta is ahutaha iti eko arthaha bhavati. Ahutaha, invited. Or tiraskritaha. That means turned away, degraded, etc. So, avadayaha krishtadhyarthe trutiyaya ichasya udaharanam avakrishtaha kokilaya. One kokila has invited a particular person or his own companion by its kujitam, by its cooing. So, avakrishtaha kokilaya. Kokilaya is trutiyantam. So, avakokila iti mula rupam. Athava kokila shabdaha, either it is taken in strilinga. So, avakokila. Kokila means akaranta strilinga shabdaha. Kaku. She kaku. There is no separate word for she kaku, isn't it? He kaku, she kaku, we have to tell. Kokilaha, kokila. Ava kokila iti shabde hrasvaha ava kokilaha. The fourth is with chaturdhyanta shabdaha.
Spelling mistakes.
Huh?
Spelling mistake. Chutur.
Kutra?
Last.
You remove that. Ukara you remove. All right. It's all right. That may be removed. Chaturdhya. Chaturdhya. You take it as Chaturdhya. Paryadayo glanadyarthe Chaturdhya. Chaturdhyanta shabdena Paryadayaha, pari, etc. Glanadi ardhe. Glanaha means became tired, became fatigued.
Wearing out.
Yes, worn out, like that. So, in that sense, Paryadayaha, Pradayaha, Chaturdhyantena सुबन्तेन समस्यन्ते प्रादिसमासो भवति परिग्लानः अध्ययनाय अध्ययनं मीन्स स्टडी परिग्लानः completely fatigued tired because of study he has become sick of study exhausted of study so pariglanah adhyayanaya you remove the glana word pari adhyayanah paryadhyayanah is the pradisamasa. And then the fifth rule with panchamyanta shabdah niradayah krantadyarthe panchamya sah samasyate ityartha niradayah pradayah krantadi arthe panchamyantena samasyante kasmin arthe krantadyarthe kranta means he left nishkrantah when nir is preceded nir precedes kranta nishkranta it becomes nishkranta means left off left away left and then proceeded forward nishkrantah kaushambyah kaushambi is a famous town. It is very much described in Meghadutam. Nishkrantah Kaushambyah. He has left Kaushambi Nagaram. Kaushambi iti Strilinge bhavati. Nishkaushambi iti Mularupam Raswatvam Nishkaushambihi. Evameva Nishkrantah Varanasyaha. Varanasyaha iti panchamyanta shabdah. Varanasi ikaranta srilinga shabda. Tasmat panchami. Nishkrantah Varanasyaha Nirvaranasihi. Here only nir will come because vakara is there. Vakara is mruduvenjanam. The sixth rule, sixth vartika is a separate vartika. Ivena saha nitya samasaha vibhakti alopascha purvapada prakriti saratvancha vaktavyam. What does it mean? Ivena saha. With the word iva. Iva is upamavachaka avyayam. Like that. Iva means sadrusyam. Ivena saha nitya samasaha vibhakti alopascha. Samasa is not, it's not optional here. It is nitya samasa. We have to do nitya samasa. Vibhakti alopascha. The speciality of the samasa is samasa supodhatu pradipadikayo iti sutrena sub luk bhavati kila. Suprachayanam luk bhavati. Atra luk na bhavati. Vibhakti alopascha. Vibhakti alopa means vibhaktehe luk na bhavati. Vasasi iva. Vasasi iti vasas shabdat. Vasas means cloth. Dvivachanam. Vasasi iva. Here it will be vasasi iva only in samasa. Vasasi dvitiyantam, that is not dropped. Vasasi iva. Nitya samasaha. Vagardhaviva. Another example. Vagardhau iva. Vagardhau dvivachanam. Dvivachanam subsists there. It is not dropped. Vagardhau plus iva. Sandhi. Avadeshaha. Avukarasya avadeshaha. Vagardhaviva. Another Vartika says, Pradi prasange karma pravachaniyanam pratishethaha. What does it mean? Pradi prasange when you are dealing with pradi samasas, pradi prasangah, prasanga means sandarbha. When you are dealing with pradi samasas, pradayah karma pravachiniye yada upayujyante tesham samasasya nishedha. Karma pravachiniya sanya prakaranam we have already studied in the first chapter. Certain pradayah, specified number of pradayah, they are denoted karma pravachaniyas. They are defined karma pravachaniyas in particular shades of meaning. So, in these pradi shabdas, when they are declared as karma pravachaniyas, by karma pravachaniya sutra, when they are employed in a particular example, then samasa is barred. Anu, apa, upa, pari, ang, abhi, prati, adhi, su, ati, api. These are the avyayas in Pradigana which have been defined as karma pravachaniyas in certain senses. So, with these, samasas cannot be formed when they are used as karma pravachaniyas. Vruksham prati vidyotate vidyut. We have already explained it earlier. Vruksham prati vidyotate vidyut. Here prati is used as karma pravachaniya. Lakshanarthi. So, here prati will not combine with samasa with vruksha. Prati vruksham iti vaktum na shakyate. Adhava vruksha prativa. Another example is sadhuhu devadattaha mataram prati. This also we have explained earlier. Sadhuhu devadattaha mataram prati. That means he sincerely serves his mother. Here prati iti karma pravachaniya. This has been used taking a particular sutra regarding prati. Prati iti karma pravachaniya matru shabdena na samasyate. Pratimatru iti samaso na bhavati. So, this will explain away all the 7 vartikas. Now we will take up the next rule. Upapadam ating. Nityam anuvrittihi tatpurusha samasaha iti upadhikaraha. Upapadam ating. Upapadam atingantam. That is, ting means pratyahara, bhavati, abhavat, bhavishyati, ityadishu yat pratyaya upayujyate kriyapadanam nirmanartham, they are called ting. So, upapadam atingantam samadhena shabdantarena saha samasyate tatpurusha samaso bhavati iti vaktavyam. Here we have to explain what is upapadam. Upapadam generally means sahayaka padam, a word closely following or preceding another word. Padasya upa means sahayakam. That is the general meaning. But here upapadam is a grammatical usage of upapadam, not general usage. Krut prakarane kasminchit adhyaye we have taken up these upapadams. There upapadam is defined as tatra saptami tatropapadam saptamistham iti sutram. Asmin prakarane, in the prakarana following this rule, saptamistham sutre yad saptamistham vartate saptamyantam yad upayujyate sutre That is called upapadam. So that sense, in that sense, we have to take upapadam here. Upapadam atingantam samardhena shabdantarena samasyate. There are so many upapadas taken up in this chapter. So, a few examples we will take. Karmani anna iti sutre sprutprakarane karmani karman shabdasya karmani iti saptami. In this particular sutra, saptami stham is karmani. So, karmantena upayuktaha shabdaha upapadam atra. In this particular sutra, upapadam is dvitiyantena upayuktam shabdaha. Kumbham karoti ityatra kumbham iti karmantam. He prepares a pot. Kumbham, kumbha shabdat am, dvitiyantam. So, this particular kumbha shabda is upapadam here. When kumbha shabda, a padam like kumbha in dvitiyantam is used as upapadam, kri dhatoho an prachayo bhavati. Krit prachayaha. Kri plus an. An prachaya, an in this an, nakara, it is used to bring out vruddhi in kri. So, kru becomes kar. Rikarasya vruddhi ar. Earlier, we have dealt with all these things. So, kru becomes kar. An, a subsists. So, kar plus a, kara. So, kumbha plus kara plus su. When you make it a samasa, kumbhakara, the pot maker. So, kumbhakara is one example. Upapada samasasya udaharanam. Kumbha is upapadam here. Anprachaya, kru iti dhatoho anprachaya, kumbha iti upapade sati eva prayuktam asti. So, kumbha is the upapadam. Upapadam kara shabdena samasyate. Kara is not tigantam. Even though it has emanated from a dhatu, after kru dhatu, what is a particular example of tigantam? Karoti, karishyati, akarot, ichadayah tigantaha. Kara shabdaha after kru dhatuhu anprachayanta shabdaha, krutprachayanta shabdaha. Kruttadhita samasasya iti sutrena, this will become a pratipadikam. This is not tigantam. So, kumbha shabdaha kara shabdena samasyate. Kumbha plus plus kru plus anna. Kumbha plus kara. Some people have taken the alaukika vigraha, kumbha nas sashti, kumbhasya karaha, kumbha nas kara su. There also nas and su, they will disappear. Kumbha karaha. Evam nagara karaha. Nagaram karoti ichyarthe. This is samasa, kumbhakara, nagarakara, ichadayaha. Atinga samasaha. Why this ating is put here? Samase uttarapadam tigantam nasya ityarthe. Samase uttarapadam tigantam yadi bhavati sup supa iti uktam kila sup tinga iti anuktam kila. A subantam, a word like kumbha, subantam, that it cannot combine in samasa with a tigantam. Kumbham karoti, kumbha karoti, we cannot make a samasa. So, specifically he has used ating. The point is, tigantam samasah tigantam na bhavet icharthe. Example is, edhan aharako vrajati iti vakyam. Edha is already I have explained earlier. Edha means kasthani, certain wood sticks which are used as samithas in homa. Edhan aharako vrajati. A person who has gone there to bring edha kashtha, he goes. Here, aharakaha iti shabdaha subantam. It is upapadam only. Vrajati iti tigantam vartate. Vajati rajati iti samipe asti. Upapadam only. Kintu upapadam we have clearly defined here. Tatra saptami stham iti. So that cannot, this aharaka shabda, that cannot be described as a upapadam in strict grammatical sense. So aharaka shabda subantam vrajati iti tigantena na samasyate. Another example famously quoted in Kaumudi etc. Ma bhavan bhoot. Ma bhavan bhoot. Here, bhavan is a word which is introduced in between ma and bhoot intentionally. Because ma is also upapadam. Bhoot iti abhoot ityasya rupam. Akara lopena abhoot. Abhoot is tigantam. Abhoot means kasmin lakare asti?
Lang. Lang is confusion.
Lang is abhavat.
Abhavat.
Lung.
Lung.
Sadharana bhutakalaha. So, ma iti upapadam. How this ma has become upapadam? Tatra saptami stam upapadam. Iti sutrena, atra ekam sutram vartate, mangi lung. The sutra's meaning is, mangi yoge. Mang iti upapadesati. When mang is upapadam, lung ityasya akara lopaha bhavati ichartha. Here, mang is upapadam. Saptami nirdeshena lupta akarasya bhuti iti tigantena na samasyate. Ma bhoot, they will not combine in a samasa. Even though mang is upapadam, abhoot iti abhoot akarasya lopaha bhoot tad tigantam tigantena na samasyate. So they will not combine in samasa. To explain it, he has introduced bhavan in between. But one doubt will arise here. The entire samasa prakaranam, the prathama adhikara sutram is sup supa. Subantam subantena samasyate. Subantam samardhena subantena samasyate. That being so, already it is declared Subantam will combine with Subantam only. So where is the question of combining with Tigantam? There is no question at all. When there is no question, where is the question of Nishedha? That means, that shows that demonstrates one principle here. What is that principle? Sup supa iti atra na sambadhyate. Here it will not apply here. Subantam subantena samasyate iti, that vakyam, it will not be implied here. So samasakaranam nivarayitum. Because supsupa is not related here, you may take it that sup tigantena samasyate इत्यपि वक्तुं शक्यते किल. शङ्कया शङ्का निवारणार्थम् अत्र सुप्सुपा इति न सम्बध्यते इति स्पष्टकरणार्थं तिगन्तेन न समस्यते इत्युक्तम्. एतेन अन्यत् काचित् सुविधा भवति. महाभाष्ये गतिकारकोपपदानां कृद्भिः सह समासवचनं प्राक् सुबुत्पत्तेः इति वाक्यमुक्तम्. महाभाष्ये यद्यद् वाक्यम् उच्यते तत् सूत्रवत् स्वीकरणीयम्. We have to give the status of a sutram, just as good as Panini Sutram. What did he say there? Gatikaraka upapadanam krudbhis saha. Gati sanyakanam krudbhis saha. Karaka sanyakanam krudbhis saha. Karaka means vibhakyantam. Upapadanam krudbhis saha samasavachanam bhavati. Kintu prak subutpattehe. Supa iti samasaha bhavati kila. Earlier it was told. So, subantam subantena. Subantam kada bhavishyati vibhakti yojanat anantarameva. But here he says, gati sanyakaha, karakaha, upapadani cha, kridbhis saha, krudantais saha. Krudantaha subantaha eva. Krudantaha pratipadikaha. Tasmat सुबन्ताः भवन्ति, तस्मात् सुप्रत्ययाः भवन्ति. तर्हि एतेषां समासः सुबुत्पत्तेः प्राक् सुप् करणात् पूर्वमेव, समास करणात् अनन्तरं सुप् करणीयं किल, तत् पूर्वमेव समासः करणीयः. This has been given by Mahabhashya to prevent certain asadhu shabdaha. For example, Ashvena Kritaha ityarthe Ashvakrita iti samasaha bhavati. If you add the visarga to indicate prathama, Ashvakrita, Ashvakritaha, then it will become, because this is akaranta, ashvakrita akarantaha. So, akarantasya stri pratyayah top, ajadyatah top iti sutrena top bhavati. Ashvakrita iti shabdah bhavati. Tad asadhu. Tatra kim kartavyam? Subutpattehe prakeva कृद्भिः सह समासः करणीयः. अश्वेन क्रीतः इति, अश्वेन इति कारकपदं तृतीयान्तं. सो अश्वेन क्रीतः, अश्व प्लस टा प्लस क्रीता प्लस सु. क्रीतः इति शब्देन अश्वशब्दस्य समासः करणीयः. सो अश्वक्रीत will be the samasa. Tasmat kim bhavati? Karanat krita purvat iti gnis bhavati. Sri pratyayah. So, atra gnis agacchati. Ashvakrita shabdat gnis agacchati. Ashvakriti bhavati. Strilinge. If you employ the suprachaya even before making samasa, it will become ashvakritaha. Then it will become akarantaha. Akarantat tap bhavati. So, ashvakrita iti padasya nivaranardham, ashvakriti iti sadhu padasya nirmanardham, etad Mahabhashya has been used. So, supsupa na samasyate na sambadhyate iti uktam kila. Tari prag subutpattehe eva samasah kartavyah krudbhihi. Dhanena kritaha Srilinge dhanakriti. We will take the next sutra. Amaiva avyayena. Ama eva avyayena. Ama means with anta shabdaha. Ama is plus ta. Tritiya. Is a prachaya. Avyayena. Ama eva avyayena upapadam samasyate ichartha. Upapadam avyayena ama eva samasyate tatpurusha samaso bhavati. Here now we are going to construct a samasa with subantam and avyayam. Avyayi bhava samase avyayam subantena samardhena samasyate avyayi bhava samaso bhavati chuktam. Here we are going to construct tatpurusha samasa with avyaya. But tatpurusha samasa with upapadam kevalam if it becomes samasa with avyaya, if you want to construct a samasa with avyaya of a particular upapadam, then you can construct only with that avyayam which is amantam. Am means here refers to namul prachaya. All these things will be taken up in Prutpakaranam later on. There will be dealing with them in detail. Namul iti prachaya. Namul mache nakaraha ittu bhavati, lakaraha ittu bhavati, ukaraha ucharanartha. Itu visishyate. Will subsist. So, ama eva namulantenaiva avyayena upapadam samasyate ityartha. Not with any other type of avyaya. Avyaya with any other type of prachaya. In avyayi prakaranam, in the first chapter we have learned one sutra. Tva tosun kasunaha. Tva is krutprachaya. Tvanta shabdaha avyayam bhavati. Tva will be suffixed to dhatus. Kritva, shrutva, bhutva, ichadaya tvantaha. They are listed in avyayas. Tumun also is listed in avyaya. Krit mejantaha iti sutrena makaranta krut prachayena makaranta krut prachayas namul is one prachaya tumun tum subsist. So makaranta avyayas tum anta and anta. Here the sutra says an upapadam, if at all it combines in samasa with avyaya, it combines with anta avyayenaiva. Here upapadam we have to take. Upapadam and avyayam we have to take. Avyayam should be amanta avyayam only. Swadumi namul iti sutram vartate. Namul prachayanta, namul prachaya vidhana sutreshu swadumi namul. Swadumi iti saptami. सप्तमीस्थम उपपदम इत्युक्तं किल. सो स्वादुम इज हियर उपपदम. तस्मात् क्री प्रत्ययः नमुल भवति. क्रू प्लस नमुल, क्रू प्लस अम्. Here also because nakara is there, it causes वृद्धि. कार भवति, कारम भवति. क्रू प्लस अम् कारम भवति. सो स्वादुम इति उपपदम कारम इति शब्देन, कारम इति अव्ययम, बिकॉज इट इज कृन् मेजन्तः इति सूत्रेण अमन्त शब्दाः सर्वेपि अव्यय प्रकरणे अव्ययत्वेन विहिताः. सो स्वादुम इति उपपदम कारम इति नमुल प्रत्ययान्तेन समस्यते. स्वादुम कारम भवति समासः. स्वादुम कारम भुङ्क्ते. What does it mean? रुचिकरम कृत्वा. स्वादुम is रुचि, रुचिकरम, tasty. He makes it tastier by adding something else and then eats. स्वादुम कारम भुङ्क्ते. संपन्नम कारम भुङ्क्ते. He eats the substance after making it plentiful. Sampanna, plenty. Sampanna is upapadam here. The avyayam, amanta avyayam is karam. Lavanam karam bhunkte. He eats the substance, adding some salt to it. Lavanam, upapadam here. Kara idi amanta avyayam. Lavanam karam bhunkte. Then in this sutra, ama eva ichuktam. What does it mean? Only with amprachayanta avyaya upapadam will become a samasa, not with any other prachayanta avyayam. Udaharanam is tumun prachayah. Tumun prachayanta shabdaah api avyayani bhavanti. Krin mejantaha iti sutrena. With tumunanta shabdaha avyayam, subantam will not, what you mean, this upapadam will not become a samasa. Kalaha bhoktum iti vakye, kala samaya velasu tumun iti tumun prachaya vidhana sutram. After kala, after samaya, after vela, you can, in these upapadas, when they are upapadas, with tumunantam can be added to the dhatus. Kalaha bhoktum. That is, the proper time has come for eating. Kalaha bhoktum iti vakye, kala shabdasya bhoktum iti avyayena samaso na bhavati. Kimardham? Amaiva avyayena ichuktam. एतद् अम्प्रत्ययान्तं नास्ति, तुमुन् प्रत्ययान्तं. What for this eva word is used? That also requires some clarification. This eva is added as an adjective for upapadam. That upapadam which has been prescribed before amanta avyayam, that alone and with not any other prachaya, that alone will combine samasa. Example is agre bhuktva, agre bhojam. With agre upapadam, you can use tva and namul. So two prachayas can be used optionally. When optional vidhana sutram is there, that particular upapadam where optional vidhana namul prachaya, optional namul is used, that means namul can be used, anything more, other things also can be used. But that particular upapadam will not combine in samasa. That's why eva is added here. So, agre bhuktva agre bhojam. This is a vibhasha agre prathama purveshu iti sutrena. Agre iti upapade Twa can be used, namul also can be used. Namul is vibhashaya uktamatra. Namul is optional there. Namul is not compulsory. It is not the only pratyaya to be used. So agre bhuktva can be told. Agre bojam. Bojam is bhuj dhatoh namul pratyaya bojam. So namul pratyayantena bojam bhavati, tva pratyayantena bhuktva bhavati. Because tva and namul optionally they are prescribed here, with that type of upapadam where optionality of namul is there, samasa cannot be formed. So here agre bhuktva agre bojam, samasa cannot be formed. Next sutra we will take. Tritiya prabhutini anyatarasyam. Here also upapadam ama eva tat purusha. They will continue. Anurtayaha. Trutiya prabhutini anyatarasyam. Anyatarasyam means vibhashaya. Optionally. They become optional samasas. Tat purusha optionally can be formed. With trutiya prabhutini. This trutiya prabhutini, it requires some explanation. In this Namul Pratyaya Vidhana Sutreshu, there are number of Namul Pratyaya Vidhana Sutras in Krut Prakaranam. When we deal with Krut Prakaranam, all these things will be more clearer. But because it has come in the order of Astadhyayi, Tatpurusha Samasa Prakarane etadapi bhaktavyam bhavati. Trutiya prabhutini means where you hear the word trutiya in sutras, starting from that. That is the meaning here. For example, Namul Pratyaya Vidhana Sutreshu Upadamshaha Trutiyayam iti sutraha vartate. This is sutra number 47 in that particular prakaranam. Starting from that, so upadamsha strutiyayam, trutiya iti shabdaha atra srutaha. Starting from that up to 40, from 47 onwards up to 58 sutra, they are vidhana sutras. Kevala vidhana sutras. And thereafter, after 59 sutra up to 64, Twa as well as Namul, both of them are optionally used. Here he says, the Upapadams listed out after this Upadamsha Stutiyayam, starting from that, here Upadamsha Stutiya, Upadamsha iti atra Trutiyayam, Trutiyantena, Upadamsha Shabdaha, Upadamsh, it is dhatuhu, biting, damsh means biting. Trutiyayam, Trutiyantena atra namul pratyaya krutaha. Starting from that, whatever upapadas have been dealt with up to, this is 47th sutra, up to 58 sutra, only namul is used. From 59 to 64, these 59 to 64, 6 sutras, Twa and Namul, both are used. Here, Trutiya Prabhutini, he is referring those upapadas, Upadamsha Stutiyam iti tasmat arabhya up to 64 sutra, whatever upapadas have been listed there, these upapadas iti avyayenaiva vibhasha samasaha bhavati. Here we have got from 47 to 64. All these sutras, Namul Pratyaya Vidhanam is there. In these sutras, Namul Pratyaya is ordered. Among those sutras, up to from 47 to 58, only Namul is prescribed. From 59 to 64, Namul and something else also is prescribed. So whatever Upapadas are there, earlier sutra, what did he say? Ama iti avyayena ichuktam. So it refers to only the earlier, the first batch. Now we are making two batches here. 47 to 58, one batch, where only Namul Pratyaya Vidhanam is given. And 59 to 64, where Namul as well as some other Pratyaya also. So all these Upapadams, they will become samasas with Namul Pratyayantaha Anyatarasyam. That means earlier sutra from 47 to 58, because only Namul Pratyaya is used there, that definitely becomes a samasa earlier. Amaiva avyayena iti. Here he says vibhasha. That means those Upapadas, particularly the earlier Upapadas, can be added with amayeva. Into these Upapadas after Trutiyayam, after the Sutra, that is 47 to 58, whatever Upapadas are there, in particular reference to Pratyayanta, earlier he has given Nitya Samasatvam, here he is giving Vibhasha. So this can be called Prapta Vibhasha. In the second batch, that is 59 to 64, both pratyayas are used. Namul is used, alternately another is used. So here also, pratyayantena, you can make a samasa optionally. That is aprapta vibhasha. In the earlier sutra, only pratyayantena samasaha bhavati chuktam. In this sutra, in this particular batch, where two pratyayas along with another pratyaya also is used, in Trutiyayam iti arabhya yani upapadani bhavanti, teshu yatra Namul Pratyayantena saha, Namul Pratyayena saha, Anyat Pratyaya api used, there it will be Vikalpena Samasaha Bhaktum Shakyate iti. So both of them will exemplify. Mulakena upadamsham. Damštva ityarthe namul pratyaya damsham. Damštva means having bitten. In the same artha, in the same meaning, Damštva iti damshi dhatoho, damshi dashane iti dhatuhu, to bite. Damshi dhatoho tva pratyayantena damštva bhavati. That in the same meaning, namul also can be used. Damsham, damsh plus damsham. Mulakena upadesham. Upadamsham, sorry. Mulakena upadamsham. That can be made a samasa optionally. Mulakopadamsham samase. Pachantare asamasa pache mulakena upadamsham. For the second batch, Uchchaihi karam. Kru dhatoho namul pratyaya. Uchchaihi karam. Uchchaihi means avyayam. In the second batch of Pratyaya Vidhana Sutram, Uchchaihi karam with namul pratyaya it can be used. So this will become samasa optionally. Uchchaihi karam. Asamasa pache kim bhavati? Uchchaihi kritya. Yapratyaya. अत्रापि अमा एव उक्तं किल, यत्र नमुल् न विधीयते, यत्र किञ्चित् अन्यत् अव्ययम् उपयुज्यते तत्र न समासः भवति. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पर्याप्तिवचनेषु अलमर्थेषु इति सूत्रेण अलम् इति विहितम्. अलमर्थेषु तुमुन् प्रत्ययः कैन बी यूज्ड. पर्याप्तः भोक्तुं, दिस इज तुमुन् प्रत्ययः. This is not listed in the earlier whatever sutras we have listed Trutiyayam, Trutiya Prabhutini. So Tumun Pratyaya, this sutra Paryapti Vachaneshu Alamardheshu iti 3466. So with this Tumun Pratyayanta Shabdaha Uche Alam iti Alam Paryapti Vachaneshu Alam Bhoktum, that cannot be made a samasa. Prabhuhu bhoktum, that also, Prabhu also is another word for alamartha, paryapti vachanam. So Prabhuhu bhoktum, this can be made a samasa. So with this we'll come to our end. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति.